and welcome to just a random episode, really. This isn't anything too special, it's just me trying to have some fun, I guess. Basically, this is just me messing around with some, redstone thingies. I'm gonna actually... Nope, I don't want waypoints right now. I want to change position to the other side. Confirm. I'm not gonna lock minimap. Let's do that. Anyway, what I have installed is nothing too special. There's nothing over there. I do have... This is one thing that does annoy me. Anyway, I have that. I have this, and there's a joke right there. Nothing important there, actually. I do have some things installed that I don't necessarily need, just because it was required for other mods that I do want installed. Like, for instance, Tinker's Construct I don't need, but I need that for Tinker's Mechworks, which I want to eventually learn how to use, but that's for another time, I guess. Anyway, I have Project Red Core, Project Red Transmission, Transportation, Exploration, Integration, Fabrication, Illumination, Expansion, I don't know. Yeah, I also have extra utilities. Brain, can I speak properly? Tinker's Construct, as I mentioned before, and Tinker's Mechworks. And to start off, what should I build? Let's see. I'm gonna start off with something that I find to be fun. I'm actually gonna need all of this, so I'll just do that afterwards. And I'm also gonna need to use some world edit, just because it'll be easier like that. Okay, let's get to over here. I just want regular stone. Okay, stone cover. I got that. And then after that, want to find the other stone. Nope, that's chiseled stone bricks. There's stone. Okay, there we go. Actually, be right back. Just 1 second. Okay, back. So, after that, I'm just gonna need, or start off with some, let's just skip over that for now. I need to remember how I did this, to be honest. But something I will obviously need is, where is it? There we go. And then I'm just going to deal with some regular bundled cables. And then what do I need? Just unplugged my fan. That's great. So what I need to do first. Well, come on. I'm gonna build up some. And no, I did not want that. Okay, did this go back to 100? Yep, it did. Okay, gonna need that. And this. And no, that's actually perfect. And for now, I'm just gonna grab one of the buttons, black one, because black is fairly neutral color. To grab that. Then I'm just gonna put a strip there. And that. So, button. Just until I can get the other stuff set up. But then bundled cable will go like that. And then actually what I usually do is just stack a ton of shit right here. So you can't really see in all that well. And obviously you still can, but like, yeah. And then I'm gonna go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just for right now. Then have that go out to there. And then I'm actually gonna go one more stone strip, and that, and then okay, and then I'm gonna need a screwdriver. Connect that up. This will be my input. Gonna want red, black, purple, white. Just so I can detect that. Actually, I'm doing this stupidly. I don't need it there, I need it on the opposite side. So like this. And then what I'll actually do is have it like that. Then that. Of course, now it does it. And also, I probably could have put it one closer, but I just didn't feel like it. But then right here is going to be an automatic reset. Or, not really automatic, but you get what I mean. And that will be the code that we will put in over here. And what we need to do now is this. Then this. Then /wand. And then slash what is it? Overlay G wrap green smooth. Gen biome replace remove. Stack, that's what it is. 7. What is it? Oh. D-cell. D-cell. Okay, there we go. Remove that, and then just go along the top with these. And this is actually a decent bit different from how I did it originally, but gotta innovate. This is how I made a vault in my modded server that I had at one point, which I might do again because that was pretty fun. But now I want to left click, right click, slash copy, slash paste. Now that it's 3 wide, slash D-cell. Now here's the part where it gets a bit tedious. So basically what I'm going to do is just go through all of these and put them on the tops and bottoms. Yeah. So we'll just pause and I'll be right back. And we're back. That was actually pretty quick. So basically what I did was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And next what I need to do is get an XOR or XNOR. I'm pretty sure I can use either. XOR. And I'll also need the screwdriver. I forget if this connects. Okay, it does. I think I need an XNOR, just because I think that'll work better. Let me do a test real quick. Also, peaceful. Game rule, do daylight cycle, false. Up. Flash time set 6,000. Midday. Okay. So what I want is only if they're matching have an output. So XNOR it is. Okay, I'm just gonna do it like this. Then go back and rotate them all 180. Because after you do that, since this is all the logic you need to decode, because basically right here is input line, across the top is storage line, and then the output lines are all along there, or technically this is all decode. But then once you do this, you put you do brain, can I please have any words come out that are legible? No, I did not want that. And then something else I did at one point was have a separate connection that does an automatic reset. I might not do that just because I am basically rebuilding this idea from scratch, but this should be fairly simple. I did not need 2 of those, so I'm gonna do this again. Sorry, I'm kind of picky about stuff, but this is what you do, and then you just line it all with these, and then you're going to need an AND gate next. So go over here, toss that up. I'm going to close that real quick. And then where are my AND gates? There's my AND gate. Then I'm gonna do it like this actually. Actually, can I do it like that? No, I don't think I can. So I'll be back in 1 second. Okay, so basically what I did was just block off that side so it doesn't connect over there, and then have it go to dual channel. And then what we'll actually do is, I do not want it going that direction. No, I want it going up. And then, once I get these in place, I'll show you my next step. Notice how there's only 8 because I basically halved this. Actually, what I'm gonna do is cover these just simply because I would rather it go through the front than the side. Actually, no, I shouldn't do that. I should keep that open. Never mind. I know what I want to do now. So actually, all this right here, utterly useless. Well, not that. I don't know why I deleted that. I'll do all the additional modifications later, but basically what I'm gonna do is, no, not that. Do that, and delete. And then once I got that, basically I'm just shift right clicking on these, and then that'll disable a lane. And once I have that, I'll be able to route these over. And this will be the next step in my build. Okay, I double clicked a bit too fast and deleted everything. God damn it. Anyway. Basically, once I have all of this set up, and actually I probably should have flipped all of this upside down instead, which probably would have been smarter, because basically if you want to, you can flip all this 180. But this stuff you can easily modify, so now once you have this, you can easily go like this, and if you're careful with placement, you got this. And this will go into another one. I'm gonna have to rotate that 180. Then double click. And you're only going to have 2 of those cells. So boom, boom, boom. Have it pointing up. And then shift, right click. And then mirror that on the other side. I'll do that real quick, one moment. Okay, so I did actually flip everything upside down. It took a little bit, but I did get it. And now the next step for what I want to do, actually, first let me block off right there, 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 and there. And then, and actually, now that I think about it, if I rotated this, I could have had it come out right there and go directly in, and then I would have room to, whatever. What I need to do next is fairly simple. I just need to add this. Boom. Boom. Then repeat it on the opposite side. Boom. Boom. And then once that's done, let's get the connection there, there. And then let's have these go towards the back, actually. And we'll connect the final AND gates back here. Then in reality, this can be shifted wherever. One moment, please. Something's happening. I know, pausing constantly the most professional thing to do. But yeah, next thing I need is that, and that, and then get that, and only one shift on that. And once I got that, just 3 more. And I'm actually just going to face it this way because I can, but if you really want to, just double right click and it'll face all the way. But that will be the final output, so once you put in the right combination, which for me is this, and then once you put in the final one, you'll see that go on, then you'll be able to get an output from here, which in this case will be an on state. But one thing I'm going to do with this on state, since I have it, is right at, I'm just going to have it run all the way along. Actually, you know what? It'll be better to have it go the other way this time. So I'm gonna double right, do that, go into transmission, get this. Though I'm actually going to want a little bit of space before that. I don't know why it's not allowing me to do one right here. I am a little bit confused right now. One moment, relog time. Okay, I figured out the problem. I was just being dumb. Basically, there is a strip there. Anyway, what I want to do is this, and then I'm gonna want a repeater, and actually I might want this. I'm trying to debate whether or not I want to have some lines running down into this as a reset line as well. Let's put this in. Boom. Boom. Okay, it is the wrong way. Okay. F3. Okay, it doesn't show what it's at currently. Oh well. I'll just do this. And then, if you want it to be timed to have a specific amount till it shuts itself off, to it should either be 4 or 8 ticks, I forget. I think that might be 8. Anyway, basically what you do is, the most janky way to do a first input thing is just simply have a ton of these repeaters going down. Actually, this would be a good reason to move some things around. I'm gonna move this over to here. And just for consistency, I'll do the same. Actually, I will not do the same on the back. Just bear with me. This, I know, seems a little janky, but this is how I'm gonna get it to work. How are we gonna do that, actually? Idea. I don't know. You can mess around with this a little bit and eventually get it so you can just have all of the input lines head out, or maybe there is something for that, I'm not quite sure. I'm also not at all sure how a bus converter works, so maybe that's a way to do it. But anyway, that's the basic premise. Do with it what you want, but and also prove that you can't just put in a random code. I'll add the green to that, and it will not go. Only once you got the right code. Anyway, that will be it. So, see ya.